I want to thank Pacific Energy and of course the management and as you said the customers, because without the customers we would have come up with the figures that we've arrived at. So thank you and thank you for coming up with this initiative. I wish everybody can, all companies in Fiji can do that. But I want to thank you especially for this initiative and your social responsibility that you've committed yourself to. Thank you for the funds, and it will go towards helping those in need.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Honorable Prime Minister, thank you very much for receiving the Pacific Energy team today. And this morning I'm very proud to present to you our final check for the relief drive that we have done from May to the last 3 months. And very happy to say that today's check is over 115,000, which brings the total donation that we provide to you in the last 3 months to 268,000, just over 268,000. And I attribute this donation and I thank our customers who have been very instrumental in supporting Pacific Energy to buying of fuel at our service stations. And from there, every litre that they spent, we took 2 cents, and that's what we have committed to the government through your relief fund. And so the amount that we've collected today, 268,000, slightly more than that is attributed to the support that our customers give to us and through to the government with the good work that has been done in mitigating the issues that we've had with COVID-19. And I must also thank the Ministry of Health, the police and the military, because they have done a tremendous job in making sure that the government through its agencies have kept in control this COVID-19, and we're all hoping and praying that sooner or later we'll be coming back to normalcy, and we all hope that it will be sooner rather than later. And that is again attributed to the leadership that we have in terms of our Prime Minister, Mr. Bainimarama, attributed to you. So on behalf of the shareholders of Pacific Energy, the management of Pacific Energy, we thank you, and we also thank our customers for supporting us in our cause to support the PM's Relief Fund. And very happy to say that we exceeded our target was 250,000, as our CEO said in the first handover. And I'm very happy that we have exceeded that, and I'm going to present to you a total of 268,000 today.
Thank you very much.